go! So excited, I'm shaking. Fresh motor. E.
Opening the Brohm Ridge gate for the season, boys and girls.
Now come out and play.
Thank you, Robbie.
I can't focus with you laughing at me.
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Few moments later.
Ride up here and jump off this.
All right, we're just gonna start it right now. Here at the shop, Riley just got here. Is it today, October 26th?
26, baby.
We're gonna go up. We're gonna go put my sled together. I brought almost everything I own because I don't know what the fuck to pack. So I gotta consolidate and bring the smallest amount because we're going in Brandon's truck because my front end still needs replacing. Have you seen the shop yet?
No.
Dude, come check her out.
Oh yeah.
So be like the emergency repair shop.
I love that.
Check her out.
Oh, is that a nice sight?
Lots of room for your sled. And then Brandon just getting here. Let's go! We got a lot of shit on the go before we can get up there. And I don't know what we're gonna see for snow, but I'm like so excited, I'm shaking. And I didn't really anticipate filming a vlog, but now I'm like, why wouldn't we? We got a shop, we got fucking new trucks, new gear to test out. Brandon is the director of the snowmobile club, so we gotta open up the gate. And yeah, so we got lots to do. Sup, dog? You excited?
Yeah, man.
What's up, brah? How's it going? You ready to go in the snow? Yeah. Hell yeah. What's that?
Sun's coming out.
Yeah, I know. I seen that too, and I was like, shit, I should bring my camera. We got to put the panels on. So we got a lot of stuff to do. So we'll put a time lapse on. Not that loud. She's alive. Fresh motor. Did you even ride the fresh motor yet?
That's right, we still haven't shared you guys the YouTube yet where Brandon actually blows the motor up, so stay tuned for that video as well.
Got a lot of organizing to do in here and a lot of shit to put on stuff. Like we got plastics for the dirt bike, skis for Brandon's sled. We got a bumper somewhere in one of these boxes for my sled. Just tons of shit. Well, we made it up. Only had to readjust the sled a couple times. Fresh sledding boots, fresh snow. Looks like we're the only sledders up here. And the sun might come out, but yeah, Riley's stuck over there. That sledding, baby, just takes forever to get even going. Oh, easy! Easy!
Fuck, that's stressful. Go. Look at that.
Thank you, buddy. It's our filmer for the day.
But it changed so fucking drastically every day.
Here we go, man. It's jump snow.
Opening the Brohm Ridge gate for the season, boys and girls.
Let's
Not
go.
bad. October 26th.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was aimed in the air.
Nice, not bad.
Los. There you go. There we go.
Brohm is open.
Up, and I'll put this on the woman's.
Paige,
What?
do a cannonball. Give us your best snow angel. Okay. This is the cabin. There's enough snow to not really touch dirt unless you're Riley. Huh? Are you taking us in or are you smelling a tin of tuna? Getting the webcam going. It's just coming down though. The only thing that sucks about a first ride is that there isn't really much riding. It's just going like, oh, can't you wait till there's more snow?
Beyond that point, yeah.
Good old Brohm. Just dumping. Oh, it's still the same cabin. It smells good in here though. It smells like cedar.
I'm gonna do a pretty good job keeping it clean.
Holy man, we come back out and it's intensified.
Yeah, now come out and play. Show face, some way, just stay.
No.
Got the dope.
No, we're not.
Yeah, that was a lot less snow than we were expecting to be up here, but we're at Casa Brody Forchuck. All stocked up. Thanks again, Brody, for all the work you do for the club.
Work.
And what do you say? Say thanks to Brody.
Thank you, Robbie.
This place is looking awesome. This year he put some hooks up. Got it even more awesome. So we're gonna get the first fire going here. It's about, what do you think? Probably like 40 centimeters up here. Thought there might be a little bit more, but there's wind lips that are definitely deeper and starting to clear up here. See some sun coming
down in the meadows, but we need this a few times. A little bit of rain,
Yeah.
a little bit of freezing, go hard. We'll have a good base.
Yeah, there we go. First ride of the year, semi done. Whew.
It almost looks so good right there.
Yeah. It looks tempting to try and dip a ski right there. I don't know, I've never been up here in the summer. Is there rocks over there?
There's rocks everywhere here. I wouldn't really.
They are out here doing a depth check.
Holy smoke, she's deep. All right, guys, we're up here for our first ride this year and stoked to announce some new sponsors. So for this season, we're going to be representing. Oh, shit. Anyways, like I was trying to say with my helmet on there, this season we're glad to represent. I can't focus with you laughing at me. All right, guys, some exciting news. We plugged it in the YouTube once last year, and we are stoked to announce this year that we are working with Oxbow Radio. Or myself and Ride Fast crew will be ambassadors this year for Oxbow Radio. So if you guys want to grab yourself an Oxbow Radio, there's going to be a link in the description. Hop over to Oxbow's website, get yourself a radio. These are the easiest radios to connect with your buddies. And if your buddies all have one, it's even easier to connect. A few channels to pick from. You can have your own channel. Get out there, connect with the boys, make sure everyone's safe, because we know these early season rides, we all get excited, and the radios are the last thing we're thinking about. So make sure you grab yourself a radio, make sure you can connect with your buddies properly. A lot of bail things out there, the channels are not connecting properly. I've had so many issues out there. So thank you for Oxbow for making a simple, functional radio for snowmobilers to connect. Get to their website, become an Oxbow bro. Whoa! There we go. Ride complete-ish. Still got the road to go down. But Jay found us.
Hey guys.
So 4 sleds have made it to the shelter so far this year. Got a fire going. Make our way down. Feel like an idiot for forgetting my GoPro mount, but it doesn't really matter because not much ride happening. Definitely need some more snow, but we're glad to get up.
Not that wet. So.
Have a BS in the lodge and call her a day.
5 minutes later.
Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
Oh, that was good. Yeah.
A few moments later.
want to move your sled.
I got off of it just for that reason. Breaking by it, right?
What'd you say, Jay?
What's it, that one or the wild one?
You think it's early? You think it's good enough to keep doing shit like that?
No, I'm good now.
Everybody go over there and wait.
Okay. Camera. All right, Sage. Run and do your tuck and roll. Just run and tuck and roll into the snow. What the fuck was that?
For Kesturkey to ride up here and jump off this, eh?
I know, it hasn't been like that since I moved here either.
No.
Well. And we're back. Unload the sleds into the shop. And that's it for the first ride of the year.
Hit the books.
Let's go. It's gonna be an unreal season, especially having the shop for when the boys come and visit. We can wrench on stuff, warm up the sleds, get them dry for the next day. And yeah, so that's a wrap on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't any riding, but just the hype of getting up there, getting the gear ready, getting the sleds out and started for the first time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. We still got lots of last year's YouTubes coming out. Some sweet rides at Seagram's with Curtis, Gage, Nate Dean, Brandon, Taylor, Chris Buckles. We got lots of stuff coming out. So yeah, we're gonna unload the sleds to thaw and get home and have some dinner. And thanks for watching.